If you think e-bikes are just a passing trend, you might be missing the bigger picture. The Möve Voyager V10, a premium commuter e-bike developed for daily riders, serves as a prime example of the electric bike revolution that's here to stay. Möve, a German-based company with a legacy dating back to 1897, has embraced the growing e-bike market by creating a bike that prioritizes everyday usability. One of the standout features of the Voyager V10 is its robust rear hub motor, courtesy of Neodrives. With an impressive 40 Nm of torque and a peak power output of 600 watts, this e-bike is tailor-made for conquering city commutes effortlessly, and, perhaps most importantly, it does so with minimal noise, ensuring that you won't become the annoying buzzing nuisance on the road. When it comes to range, Möve promises up to 90 miles on a single full charge, and recharging takes just 2 hours. However, what sets the Voyager V10 apart are its two regenerative modes. These modes cleverly recapture battery life while you ride downhill, effectively harnessing the power of gravity to extend your ride. Those long, scenic descents can now be more than just an enjoyable experience, they can actually add miles to your journey. The internal pinion C1 122 gearing system is another marvel of technology on this e-bike. It intelligently adapts the gear ratio as you pedal, maintaining an optimal balance with the electric motor. It's like having a co-pilot that seamlessly adjusts gears while you stay focused on the road ahead, making your ride more efficient and enjoyable. Safety is a paramount concern, and Möve has taken it seriously. The Voyager V10 is equipped with Shimano hydraulic disc brakes, ensuring reliable stopping power even in challenging conditions. To cushion the bumps and jolts of rough roads, the bike features a RockShox Paragon Gold fork, adding comfort to your daily commute. Moreover, Möve has it overlook lighting, with front and rear supernova lights that enhance visibility during day and night rides. While the Möve Voyager V10 certainly doesn't come with a budget-friendly price tag, hovering around $6,706, it's essential to recognize that this e-bike is not just another two-wheeled vehicle, it's an investment in the future of commuting. In conclusion, the Möve Voyager V10 is more than just a commuter e-bike, it's a testament to the evolving world of electric bicycles. With its powerful motor, regenerative technology, smart gearing system, and safety features, it exemplifies the future of e-bike innovation. So, if you still believe e-bikes are a passing fad, you might want to take a closer look at the Voyager V10 and realize that the e-bike revolution is here to stay. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope you liked it, and we will see each other soon, and God will always bless you.